Hi everyone, so I'm going to show you how to run a virtual machine if you want to run a Mac operating system on your Windows computer. So you'll have to download the Windows hosts here, and when you click on this, once you click on it and it downloads, and if you click on it here, just click yes when something pops up. Actually, before you click open here, go down. So just close it for first right now and scroll down. Click on all supported platforms. Download that as well. Now let us actually go and open and install this VirtualBox here. Just double click it. Yes, whatever pops up here. And then what you want to do is just follow the prompt to install this virtual machine. So just install it, let it run for a bit, and then it'll be done soon. Finish here. And double click, or it'll open automatically because once it's finished, it'll open automatically. So I think I already have VirtualBox installed, but anyways, right here, once it's done and you open it up, there wouldn't be anything here. These are just some old things that I previously have installed, but what you do is, let's expand it here. So make sure Tools is selected here. Click on Preferences. Then go to Extensions. Click the plus sign. And this extension that we just downloaded, this is what we want to add. So click on it, click Open. Click Install. Scroll down. Agree. Click OK. And OK here. Now click New. Go to Expert Mode. Now the type, you want to go here and you click on macOS X. And right here, version, do the 64-bit version. Call this macOS Monterey. And this one, you want to put it as high as you possibly can if you want to get the best speed in your virtual machine. So just put it in the green area as far up as you can if you want. It doesn't have to be all the way to the top, but it will perform better. So leave it as Create Virtual Disk Now. Click Create. This one, we'll put it as 120 gigabyte. And then click Create. So we got the macOS Monterey right there. Now with this selected, we want to go to, make sure this macOS Monterey is highlighted here, and click on Settings. Go to System, uncheck Floppy. Then go to Processor, and move this up to the green, the in between the green and the red line. And then acceleration, nothing there. Go to Display. Move the display video memory all the way to the top. For storage here, click on Empty. So now we actually have to download, because once we go here, we have to choose or create a virtual optical disk. But right now we don't have anything installed yet, so we have to actually download the Monterey. Let me just check here. So what I did instead is I downloaded Big Sur instead. So let's see if this one will work better. So we got it downloaded right here. Mac OS Big Sur. So I'll put it on desktop so it's easier to get to. Make sure macOS Monterey is selected. Go to Settings, Storage, and then click the macOS Monterey, because we're going to replace this with another disk here, which is Add, and then Desktop, macOS Big Sur, the iOS file. Alright, so we'll choose this. There we go. Click OK. Now we have to run the command lines again. Which were so since we have it here, and let us relabel this to macOS Big Sur. Okay. Actually, we can just let's do this. So Notepad, and these are the command lines here we need to run. So we need to replace the virtual machine name here, so we put macOS Big Sur here. And make sure it's spelled exactly the same. And let us put this in all of these places here. So now let us exit this. Exit. Let's open up the terminal again. And let's run these command lines one by one. So right here, take this, paste it, grab this entire row, paste it, grab this entire row, paste it in, enter, take the next one, enter, take the next one, enter, next one, enter, and the last one here, enter it in, enter. Now we're done. We can just close it, and we can open up the virtual machine again here. It's got on my desktop, so double click it. There we go. Let's click start here. So it looks like it might be working, because we'll give it a few seconds here, see what happens. Or it'll be a few minutes because it's loading. So now let's try select the language. So let's do that dist utility again. Let's go right here. Alright, let's just click erase here. Let's just go back. Let's just install macOS Big Sur. Actually, let me just double check here. So yeah, we should go here. Clicking on this. It's not letting me do that. So let's just exit and let's just see what happens when I do this. Continue. Agree. Agree. Select the disk. Now we'll just wait a few minutes here. Alright, so once this is loading up here, let's try now, and let's select Canada right here. Continue. Let me turn that down. Let us do continue here. Just do continue. Not now. Continue. Okay, so transfer information. Not now. Set up later. Skip. Computer account, you can just make it up. It's not like a big deal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Account name A12345. Okay. Password doesn't matter. 12345. And verify 12345. You can enter in whatever you want here. It really doesn't matter. I mean, you will have to remember the password because it will most likely ask you for it. And the account name. So just depending on how, like what specs you have on your Windows will determine how fast this goes. So virtual machines can be pretty slow if you do not have some good specs on your laptop or desktop computer. Let's continue. Set up later. Let's not enable Siri. We don't need it. Continue. Let's do light mode. It doesn't matter. You can pick whatever you like. Alright, so it looks like it's setting it up. Okay, this keyboard assist, just exit there. So it looks like it actually made this. So let's just open it up. So you probably have to adjust the settings somewhere. Let's check here. Actually, it's probably gonna be in the other area, but let me just do this for now. You can just adjust it like this for now. And what we can do here is search. Let's do terminal. Should have it. So it looks like it's pretty slow. Just click enter, terminal. Right, looks like it's taking a while. Click enter again. This is the problem with virtual machines, is that they will be pretty slow if you don't have good specs on your computer. So just be cautious about this. It's going to take you probably 10 times longer to do this here. Alright, so we got the terminal. So it looks exactly like the Mac terminal, and you can use the exact same Mac command lines now. So cd desktop, and it's loading again. So this is going to be painfully slow. There we go. You're on desktop now. ls. Okay, allow. So I guess it doesn't see that DVD drive there, but let's do mkdir testing. So we should have a folder on our desktop somewhere. ls. It looks like either the desktop is frozen right now, or it's taking a really long time, or it's cut off somewhere on the side. So it looks like you won't really see it here. Yeah, so I'll just do cd testing then. Let's see if we can adjust the view. Oh, there we go. So it is on our desktop. It's just taking a really long time to actually show up. So inside our testing folder, we can be like touch example.js like we've done before. And you can go inside the folder here. It should have that .js file. And there you go. You can see that the .js file is there now, so it's all ready to go. So this is how you set up the virtual machine or VirtualBox. And once you're done, just exit and make sure you power off so it just totally shuts down. And it should turn off. And you're pretty much done. All you have to do now is just click start, and it's just gonna operate just like a regular Mac operating system. And for those ISO files, when I went to settings, storage, and this item that I had to import, you're gonna have to find those ISO files on yourself just because it depends like which website you go to, and there's a lot of like advertisements and everything, so you'll have to just Google search the macOS Big Sur and make sure you find the iOS file, and so you can import it here. And it's really important to do all these steps properly in order to get this to work. If you have any questions, let me know.